today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Ladies and gentlemen, after the price was dumping like crazy yesterday, and I think we had the biggest liquidations in history for crypto. I myself got liquidated out of some of my altcoin trades. Yes, my 30 million US dollar Bitcoin trade is still open, but I did get wrecked as well. Now everyone is asking, is this bull market over? Is this the beginning of the end? As usually bull markets are ending with the price having a significant capitulation. Well, or is this an opportunity, the beginning of an actual last upwards movement? Let's talk about that. And what if I told you that there's one indicator which actually tells us exactly the answer to that question? Let's go straight into it. I am here, of course, as always, in my amazing studio. I'm really in love with it. I'm recording a lot of videos for my health channel here, but of course I want to focus also here on Bitcoin and on trading, on my price predictions, just as before. Let's go straight into it. Before I'm going into it, follow me on that health channel if you want tips and tricks how to build muscle, optimize your hormones, optimize your sleep, just live a healthy life. As I am continuously learning for the last few years, I am sharing that knowledge with you. Follow me over there. The link is in the pinned comment. You can click and subscribe, and I will do a giveaway there very soon. If you're interested in health, make sure you follow me there. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about what it comes down to here if we want to make money in the next few weeks. Well, what we can see here is the weekly candles for Bitcoin, right in between support and resistance bands here, which exists since 2011 for Bitcoin. Well, why do I pull up this chart? Let me show you. What we can see here, every single candlestick represents 1 week, yes? And we can see the EMA ribbon here and this upward sloping trend line. And this is very important to look at to determine, is this bull market over or not? What we can see here on the weekly already, it doesn't look that bad, but what we can see here is we are holding the upward sloping support. I talked about that already, but more importantly is to put your attention towards the EMA ribbon on the weekly, not on the daily, not on the 4 hourly. You have way too many false breaks on that one. The weekly, however, tells us without fail in history whether a bear market is starting or not. Let's go to the last example, the start of the last bear market, November 2021. The moment we broke with the weekly candle for the first time below the EMA ribbon was the beginning of the 1-year bear market, where I then started longing Bitcoin in November 2022 with this FTX crash all the way towards the upside. That trade is still open. I showed it to you yesterday in the video. Well, this close below the EMA ribbon and the flip afterwards is the confirmation. Close below, flip, boom, down we go. One example. Let's go back in time. The other example, 2018. Yes, we had this rejection, but when did we confirm the bear market start? When we broke below, we flipped the ribbon, we got the bear market. This was it in 2021, 2018. Well, do we have more examples? Yes, plenty of them, without a fail. You can see here in the year of 2015, we broke below number 1, we flipped the ribbon number 2, bear market, there we go. Only always when we are breaking back above and we are reversing the flip is when the bull market starts. And that is every single cycle the same. It was in fact the exact same thing again here in the year of 2011. We are breaking below, flipping the ribbon, bear market starts. So when can we say this is a bear market start? I can tell you already, I am not confident to say so just because we are getting this one break towards the downside. Let me actually show you exactly what is my line in the sand. What is my confirmation of the bear market? It's number 1, we need to break the upward sloping support. We didn't even do that. Number 2, more importantly, is this. This is the real line in the sand. The bottom of the EMA ribbon on the weekly. This is the 50-week exponential moving average. And that one breaks only if we are going below 97,800 US dollar at the current point of time. before we are not breaking below that and closing a weekly candle below, I do not feel confident myself to say with a high degree of certainty that this bull market is over. In fact, I would say this is just a correction, a washout, to wash out the weekends, of course, and to clear out the market, liquidate some longs, and yeah, then potentially, hopefully, continue more towards the upside. Guys, I leave you once again in the pinned comment my health channel down below. The first video is uploaded. If you ever wanted to support me, go over, subscribe, like, leave some comments down below. I am answering almost every single comment on that video, and I will upload most likely daily videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Dear ladies and gentlemen, we are going to see each other very soon at the next of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye. Bye.